To set the commission value for a product, you're going to navigate over here to Products on the left-hand side. Click into the product that you are wanting to use in your affiliate marketing. And then you're going to come here to your Advanced Settings. From here, you are going to go ahead and enable the Network Settings. And when we scroll down, you'll see that you've got all of your different network settings enabled here. The one we're focusing on in this video is our commission percentage. So if I hover over this tooltip, you'll see that this is where we can allocate a percentage of the sales price of this product to our commission pool. It's got a very nice example here. So if you sell a product for $100 and you allocate 50% to commissions, your commission rules will then apply to $50 from this product. So you can go ahead and change this to whatever you want, not 200%, 20%. And now whatever commission rules that you have set up in your network area over here are going to apply to 20% of this product's total price. So instead of commissions being calculated off the total price of this product, they're instead being calculated off a percentage of that price. So that is how you can set the commission value for your products.